JJ, glad I got you on the phone. Congrats on the renewal of BOBA FETT. Yeah, I heard about that. I'm watching the first episode tonight. Yeah, I heard that you're helming season 2. And I heard about Chewbacca making an appearance. Yeah. I was thinking I do a pretty good Chewbacca. Do I want to audition? Absolutely. I'm a huge fan. Well, you know, I'm 5'11", 6'3" with the right kind of boots. So towering, work out, whatever you need. No, you don't have to get a voice actor to do the voice. I mean, I can do it. It's like, different emotions, like sad. You got mad. It's a little Semny Sam. Yeah, I know, but I could work on it, and then very happy. So you'll call me, right? You'll text me. You need my number though, because you have to have it saved. You have it on caller ID. Okay, cool. You think I got it? Like, I got a voice for radio. Okay, well, good luck. Talk to you soon. Hey, got David on camera. First one. How you feeling, David? I wonder if that picked up on the mic. He said he's feeling all right. That's good. David and I have worked together. We met in college in the film program. So he filmed one of my music videos for Last Night. Maybe you've seen that on YouTube.
Even when the sun sets in your eyes, I must look away, for you shine bright tonight. You won't be alone, 'cause with me you'll feel right at home. In my life I've seen many things, endured sadness and loneliness, but from the moment I saw you, I knew that this was true. I could spend the rest of my life with someone like I could spend the rest of my life with someone, yeah.
Really fun music video, so it turned out really great. And now he's visiting me here in Atlanta on his way down to Florida, changing his life for the better. So we're here at Baby Tommy's. I'm looking at the mic as though that's the lens. We're here at Baby Tommy's Taste of New York. Now I've been here before, but not as a customer. I've picked up some deliveries for customers through Uber, and every time I walk in here, I'm like, man, this place smells like Queens, and that's where I'm originally from. That's where I was born, and it just reminded me of like home, because that's my original home. So went for a New York, well, obviously New York slice, plain cheese. Looks pretty good. It looks on the well done side, which I'm excited for. Let's see. Let's bend that a little bit. Yeah, it's a nice well done bottom. Let's see. That's just a flop because the middle, I would say the middle right here is a little softer. So, but there we go. See, it's nice, well done. It's well done on the bottom. It's looking pretty good. Hope you had a great Christmas. Let's move on. First bite's the one that counts when you're starving. I have not had a pizza like this yet on any of these reviews. Buttery? Am I going to say buttery? It's on the slightly greasy side, which I don't think is a bad thing. I love grease. I'm from New York, okay? I'm from Queens. If you don't have a little bit of grease on the plate that then you can just like gather up onto the bread, you're not a New Yorker. I don't know if it's picking up on the microphone, but in every bite there's a little bit of crunch, which is just so satisfying. That crust has that traditional Italian, Italian breadstick taste. Really nice. So a little history about this place, which I find it very fascinating. So Baby Tommy is actually the original owner of this place until the new owners came in, who I've met Tony before, like a month ago. Now I met his wife for the second time, Vanna, and they've been owning this place since '98. What is that? 23 years? That's pretty cool. And Tony's name is actually in the name. Taste of New York. Tony. I think that's so cool. When I first saw the slice, I'm not gonna lie. I thought, oh man, this can't be that great. But everybody's consistent. This cheese, it's not overly cheesy, it's just right. And I've been doing those one-bite pizzas, of course, they're frozen pizzas. But I kept talking about, where's the sauce? There is just the right amount, not too much of sauce. This is fantastic. Oh man, I just want to keep going. 8.3. I'm gonna give it an 8.3. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Like I don't know if it's the lighting from the back, you know, the redness over here, but it's got a nice brown bottom. Yeah, I think they use some sort of butter or something. There's like a little slight sweetness. It's not a sweet pie, but that's good. So what did I say? 8.3, right? 8.3. Baby Tommy's, Taste of New York here in Marietta, Georgia, right off Cobb Parkway and 120. So next time you're in town, definitely stop on by. They've got really cool like picnic tables out here, which I don't know, David, can you turn around and see if it shows? It's like we're filming the Blair Witch Project out here. Yeah, come out here. Don't get spooked by ghosts. Okay, anyway, no ghosts here. At least I don't think. We'll see you on the next review.